Both refers to two things considered together. It means two people, two items, or two places. When you say both, you are talking about the two as one unit, not separately. Both chairs are occupied means the two chairs together have people sitting on them. Are both your parents going means mother and father together. Both shows two items or people as a complete pair. We visited both Paris and London means the two cities together. Both of us are teachers means me and another person together. Notice both of is used before pronouns like us. Use both before plural nouns. Both cars are red, both books are new, both students passed, both doors are open. Always use plural nouns after both because it refers to two things together. Use both of before pronouns or specific objects. Both of them are here, both of us agree, both of these work, both of those failed. Both of plus pronoun shows two specific items together. Both students passed means the two students together succeeded. Each student passed means one by one, separately. Both equals together as a pair. Each equals individually, one at a time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.